So, here's a face I recognise. Jason, how nice to see
Hi,
you
Valerie.
again.
Yes, you too.
I saw you last time at Sandown.
That's right.
And here we are at the West Country Quilt Show.
Yes.
So, this looks like my hostess trolley, but a bigger version.
Well, it's one of our most popular units, so this is why we're displaying it here with others from really our range. Not our whole range, because obviously it's quite large, but we like to bring the most popular units here. And as you pointed out with this one, it's really not that big when it's closed.
No, it isn't.
But it can have the potential to open up, depending on really what works for you at that time or what kind of sewing you're doing at that time. So we can open to the side or the back, and to the left-hand side, and this one has the capability of taking two machines as well.
Machine long arm quilting features a lot these days, and this exhibition is no exception. But this is an exceptional quilt. It is by Sandy Chandler. She's called it the Catherine Wheel, and she wins the award for the best long arm quilting. It is exquisite as well as being huge, and the detail is phenomenal.